Guys, what is good? What is up? Welcome back to Cryptocurrency Theory. Welcome back to this channel, guys. I want to do a video and just a quick video here about how to ignore FUD and why it is important to ignore FUD. Guys, FUD has caused me to not only lose my crypto, but it's also caused me to gain crypto as well. So, you guys know I'm not on Twitter. You guys know I'm not on a lot of social media sites. This is for a very specific reason. I don't want my mindset about cryptocurrency to change the slightest bit. Once you start figuring out the fundamentals, and that's why I recommend you guys come down to the channel, check us out. Once you start realizing the fundamentals of what cryptocurrency is, your likelihood of getting caught up in these scams is almost down to zilch. You literally will not fucking get involved in 99% of the scams out there simply by joining this channel, because we know how to spot these scams a mile away. I know how to spot these scams a mile away, and that's the very reason I haven't been scammed in the last 4 years in crypto, going on 5 years, is because I've done the research. I don't need to convince myself. I don't need people to convince me, just simply because I've done the research on my own. I am guaranteeing you guys, if you guys come down to this channel, you will see that you will not be part of any of these scams. You will be so fucking set in your crypto journey that it really couldn't get any better for you guys. So come on down to this channel, guys. On this channel, you will find that you will start actually coming up in cryptocurrency, guys. That's all I got. Later.